Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe and staying happy. Welcome back on Spices and More. In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of the famous recipe of Kolhapur known as misal pav. This recipe is also famous in most of the part of Maharashtra and Konkan as well. Very easy to prepare and very delicious and flavorful. Let's start with the recipe and see what all we need. Here I have heated a pan with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. This recipe involves a little more quantity of oil to get that tari. So next I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. In goes 1 teaspoon of cumin seed or the jeera seeds. Next I am adding about half inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves and 2 cardamom pods. Then goes 1 cup of chopped onions. Saute it very well until the onion turns translucent. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Again saute it and let the raw smell from the ginger and garlic disappear. The onion should also turn little brownish in color and translucent as well. So next I am adding about 8 to 10 curry patta. This enhances the flavor of this misal pav. So here I am adding little asafoetida or hing. Again give it a stir. In about 5 minutes you will notice the onion have turned translucent and slight brownish in color. At this point I will be adding 1 cup of tomato paste. Here I have taken 2 medium sized tomato and grind it finely to make a paste. Again saute it and let the tomato cook till the raw smell disappears. Now as you can see the oil have already started separating. So here I will be adding salt as per taste. This helps to cook the tomatoes faster. Next I'll be adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now spiciness depends on you. You can increase or decrease it. Next I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon of misal powder. This I have used ready-made one. You get it easily in the market. In Dubai, you will get it in Al Adil. In Al Adil, if you search, you will get it by the name Usal Misal Masala. In goes 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, just to enhance the flavor and the color. Kashmiri red chili powder is not spicy at all. It just gives nice vibrant color. Normally this misal is spicy if you have tried it any time. So spiciness always depends on you. You can increase or decrease it. Now as you can see the oil started separating from the masala. So here I'll be adding 1 cup of diced potatoes. Some of them don't add it, but it's better if you add these potatoes. It gives nice flavor. And here I'll be adding the sprouted moth beans or the matki as you call it. This is about 200 gram. Again give it a mix. Coat it nicely with the masala. And then I'll be adding in hot water. Now you can adjust the water as per your requirement. If you need more gravy, then you can add more water. I'll be adding here 2 cups of water, and I used a hot water. Don't use don't use the cold water. We need hot water only. Again, give it a mix. Add salt as per taste, and please remember we added salt before also, so you can adjust it accordingly. Now close the lid. I'll let it cook slowly for about 10 minutes or until the moth beans or the matki is cooked properly. In about 10 minutes I kept it on medium flame. You will see the oil have already started separating and it got nice beautiful color. The aroma is also superb. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. This is optional. If you want you add it, otherwise you can skip it completely. Give it a mix. Now as you can see, the oil have beautifully separated from the gravy. And finally I will garnish it chopped coriander leaves, and it takes the flavor to the next level, so please do add it. And our misal is ready to be served. Isn't it looking very beautiful? It's really tangy, spicy and very flavorful. I hope you will try it and you will love this recipe. Now I'll show you how you have to serve this. So when you're serving the misal in one bowl, and then at the side you can give chopped onion with lemon, some farzan and bread. This is really delicious, mouth-watering recipe. I hope you will like it. Please give it a try. Let me know your review in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, hit that like button, share this recipe with your loved ones, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so far. See you in my next interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone.